Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is UJ Forex. This YouTube channel is where I drop back-to-back legit information about latest airdrops that will actually pay you off, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, all kinds of tech, including how to create mobile app, how to create website. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you'll be alerted. Today, I want to make a video on how to withdraw Hamster Kombat, especially doing your off-chain withdrawal, how to do your off-chain withdrawal. Remember 3-4 months ago when I introduced this airdrop, I told you guys that I've seen the green light, green flag on this airdrop, that we should keep tapping, keep mining this airdrop that is going to pay off. Yeah, although from the big from the onset, it was confusing. We don't really know how they are going to be counting their airdrop, but as time goes on, we now learned that they're going to be counting their airdrop by profit per hour, and so if you are still accumulating coin, make sure you take it to, you mine. Make sure you mine and accumulate more profit per hour. The more profit per hour you have, the more airdrop you're going to be receiving. Okay, without saying much, I want us to go straight into how to withdraw off-chain withdrawal, because I learned that this coin is going to be launching on the 26th of this month, and apart from launching on the 26th of this month, the off-chain withdrawal will be on the 13th of this month, which is Friday. So if you haven't connected your wallet, make sure you connect your wallet. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to connect your wallet to either Bybit or your Telegram wallet or any other wallet. Let's go into it right now. So once you log into your Hamster Kombat, go over to where we have this airdrop. Click on the airdrop. So you scroll down, click on the withdrawal section. Then you'll be seeing a lot of exchange. Actually on the 26th, it will be launching on major big exchange like Binance, Bybit, OK's, X exchange, and the rest, even Telegram wallets. But on the 13th, you can actually withdraw. On the 13th, off-chain withdrawal. You get, so, but you're gonna be listing on Binance on 26th officially. So to participate on the off-chain withdrawal, so I'm going to be using Bybit for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll click on Bybit. If you don't have Bybit account, make sure you create a Bybit account. But if you don't have Bybit account, you can click on no, let's create it. But in this my case, I already have Bybit account. If you don't have Bybit account, I have a video which gonna be showing up here on this YouTube. Make sure you click on that video to learn how to create a Bybit account. But if you have a Bybit account, follow me. So we click on yes, I have a Bybit account. So now, if you have a Bybit account, just scroll down. You will see where they have this Bybit UID, Hamster deposit address, and memo. So let's head over to Bybit to copy this information. So once you open your Bybit app, so this is exactly how the interface will be looking like on the assets region. So click on the home, click on the home. When you click on the home, okay, sorry, when you click on the, we are trying to copy the UID. Try to copy the UID. So when you click on the home, then the next thing you click on this icon icon showing like your account. You get, we click on that area, it will bring out this interface. So this is your UID. This is your UID. You don't have to start copy and typing one by one. Just copy it. There's a space for copying there. Just tap it and copy it. So when you copy it, you head over to Hamster Kombat and paste it there. So now let's look for hamster deposit address. So to do that, you still head over to Bybit and then go over to we are in the home. You can go over to assets. Go over to asset. Follow the cursor, please. Go over to assets, and then the next thing is we go over to withdraw. Click on withdraw. When we click on withdraw, we'll come to the search button. We type hamster. Okay. So remember I said withdraw before. So remember, if you are withdrawing, that means you're withdrawing out from your Bybit. But in this case, we are not withdrawing out from our Bybit. We want to withdraw from Hamster Kombat to our Bybit. So we are not going to be withdrawing. We're going to be clicking on deposit. Click on deposit. So we have to click on deposit this time around. When you click on deposit, click on deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto, and then you can go ahead and start searching for hamster. So to search for hamster, we'll come back here and check the name of the coin. You can see is HMST. So we'll go back to there and click on the search bar. It's already here, so you can see it. But if you don't see it there, you can click on HMST, and it has already show out. So that this HMST, we just click on it. So when we click on it, we'll wait first. It will ask us choose a chain type. So I think Hamster Combat is launching on Ton. Remember they told us initially that it will be launching on Ton. That's I think last month. It was displaying on their this thing. Either last month or upper one. They said it was going to be launching on Ton. So I think their network, their ecosystem is Ton ecosystem they're using. So we click on Ton ecosystem. So when we click on Ton, you can see the network is showing here now. We will see this notice, just ignore it. To ensure seamless deposits experience, please ensure that you use both the hamster deposit address as A and B deposit memo tag when making a deposit. Failure to do that, you lose your phone. Okay, I'm going to explain that. So now this is the hamster deposit address which we are looking for. Just copy it there, go over to the hamster deposit address and paste it there, and go back to Bybit and come down to this memo. You see, always don't ignore this memo. There's some coin that does not need memo. Like when we were withdrawing dog that time, remember, dog coin, we didn't they didn't give us a memo. I mean, a memo or a tag. So but this case, this particular one, they are giving us a memo and tag. So make sure you always look out for it. You copy the memo. You can see the memo. This is the memo here, 1089. So we just go over here and copy it. Copy the memo. Don't type it, just copy it and paste it. So we'll paste it. The next thing, we click on save address. Before then, we have to go back again and check if everything is correct. So deposit arrival 1 confirmation, withdrawal unlock 1 confirmation. Okay, I think that they are not even going to confirm too much, just 1 confirmation. So go back to Hamster Combat and then click on save and choose. So So for those of you that has several accounts, this is what you need to do. Like most, I have a friend that have over 20 accounts, 20 Telegram. So you can use this for yourself. You can be doing this for each of the Telegram. Me, I have two, so I'm gonna be doing this now. So now during on the 13th of on the 13th of September, which is on Friday, this request to buy bits will be activated. So you can click it, or they will send it automatic for you. So guys, this is how to connect your, this is how to withdraw off-chain withdrawal on Hamster Kombat or any airdrop at all. So please to subscribe to my channel and do well to watch every of my videos. All right, peace out.